Hey everybody, I am back for another video, and today I'm at the Factory Antique Mall here in Verona, Virginia, and it's their claim to be the largest in America, and it is a pretty big area of antiques. So come along with me, let's check this place out.
All these bears. Look at that. E.T.
Huh. Tyson chicken.
Luda, are you going to buy something else?
Percussion rifle.
Was it?
Hey, Chewbacca. Do you have a recommendation for a good item to purchase? Huh? Let me live in the house by the side of the road and be a friend to man.
doll back here. Wow. This place is so big it has streets.
Check this out, a boat with all deer heads in it and some duck decoys.
This is actually a dog that I had when I was a kid, this little Lucky Dog. I didn't know it was called Lucky Dog, but I know this looks exactly like what I had as a kid. My dad got it for me, I think, when I was born. I think I still have it, but it doesn't work. It's pretty awesome, the original box and everything. You guys remember any of these toys from when you was a kid? They got a lot of these old toys here. It's pretty cool. Benji phonograph. Some Smurfs up there. Raggedy Ann. Yogi Bear. Check out these old like board games or games of Snoopy, old Snoopy. Talking toothbrush, Mickey Mouse. Oh, and my grandma used to have these. Actually, I had a few of them too, but I hate music. She used to collect these.
So we got a clown here holding scissors with a dinosaur.
Yeah.
But you do, don't you? You're not that right at the time to play out.
Check it out, the Rock'em Sock'em robots out there. Look at that. There's a classic. Oh, check it out. They got all the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. I had a lot of these when I was a kid. Not this many. Wow, this is pretty cool. These are the like original ones. There's old Krang right there. Wish I would have saved mine. It probably worth something. Definitely. So we hit a dragon. Batman. like these chairs. These are cool. Check it out. Oh, check it out, the Kool-Aid Man.
Where are you there now? Are you there now? Are you there now? Straight back, right?
I'm leaning towards that about 75.
You want to get us off the up front?
There's Howdy Doody. There's Earthworm Jim. Check that out. Bigfoot. Look at that. Bigfoot's here. And a smaller Bigfoot.
The devil.
Alright, so that was the video for today for the Factory Antique Mall here in Verona, Virginia. Pretty cool place, a lot of neat little items there. So if you find yourself in the Verona area, you should stop by and check it out. It's pretty large. I thought I got lost there for a moment. It's pretty cool. Be sure to like and subscribe and share the videos. I'm also on Instagram as well as Facebook. I'll see you on the next one. Have a great day. There's a big boy